Oh boy, YouTube. Alright, the new lens is coming in the mail. So, sorry about this crappy quality in the meantime. Wow, that's really crappy. But anyway, so today what we got going on is I went for a drive the other day and sure enough, that brake completely locked up on my first drive with this, and my truck's got some power because I didn't even feel it. So now we need 4 new tires and most likely 4 new brakes, but I'll also take a look at what they look like, because I've never seen electronic trailer brakes before. I'll even drop you guys now. That one just flew somewhere. This one. Oh, the other one flew. Another one flew. Caught that one. What do we do for 3 for 3? Just grab it close. Maybe I'll see it when I take the tire off. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Looks like an electronic drum brake setup, which is pretty cool. Definitely need new tires though. It seems like they... Oh wow, yeah, this had a really bad dry rotting on it. No, that would not have worked out long term anyway. My question is, how do we remove this? Might just be straight from the back, or I might just have to remove it right from there. So let's grab a hammer. Alright, let's take a look. Give it a little tap. Maximum before drum diameter 12.0. Give me a few minutes, YouTube. I'm gonna do some research on this. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So take a look at what I'm doing. I know this is not going to be fun, but we're going to get it done. We're going to clean up all the grease and we'll never know anything was this bad. Let's take a look at that though. Like, how did anyone drive this trailer? There's just no brake pad at all. Like, there's just nothing there. Like, I don't understand some people, but whatever. Let's get this off. I figured I'm gonna record one, and the rest we'll just do time lapse. So here we go. One, two, three, go, four. I think that's it. One more. Now we're good. Now we're talking. And there we go. Let's take a look. Wow. That's no good. So I got paper towels. Let me just grab a wire stripper. Yeah, I'm going to pause the video for a second so I can grab one. Alright, YouTube, here we go. Let me just see the message real quick. Make sure it's not important. That's not important. Let's cut this wire here. Doesn't look like it's been attached for a while anyway. Hopefully I didn't burn everything else up. Wow. What even happened in here? Oh, this is going to be a good question. Which way does this go? Doesn't look like they... This is labeled. Nope. So that wire disappears. Let's take a look. I feel like there's gonna have to be some kind of marking. Honestly, we can just deal with that at a later time. My main goal right now is just to get these hooked up anyway, so that's what we'll do. Get these nice and cleaned up. Let's see. Now is the time for truth. Did I do good? There we go. Oh yeah, she's good. I always love when I get the right parts. Because it always sucks when you get the wrong ones. So we're gonna get our handy dandy impact. Slowly torque them down. That's not going anywhere. A few ugga duggas. 3 each. That should be plenty. That's not going absolutely anywhere. Nice. So
Say that it ain't on me, what can you see? It ain't easy.